everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a video that all of you asked me to create. So here I am with my night routine video, and this is the night routine that I follow during the weekdays. So usually I come back from work at around 6:30 or 7. Now, due to the lockdown, I am mostly at home, but I try to stick to this routine during the weekdays. So at around 6:30, I go to the kitchen and make myself a cup of tea. I am a huge tea lover and I have a lot of different types of tea in my stash. Today I am using this mint tea and I use these tea infusers. It just makes the entire tea making process very easy. Also, if I am feeling hungry, I make myself a small bowl of snacks. Usually I have my dinner pretty early these days, so the snack is something very light and simple. Today I made this chaat with some puffed rice and with some cucumber, onion and some tomatoes. So along with all this food and tea, I settle down at my favorite corner of the house, and this is the time when I relax and visit all my social media accounts. I try to post something on Instagram at around this time and I interact with all of you guys. I also go through the amazing content that my fellow content creators create on Instagram and YouTube because I think I get a lot of inspiration from them. And also, if Tamal is free from his work, we chat for a while, nothing extra romantic. We just discuss all the things that we have to order next, the bills that we need to pay. Yes, the normal adult couple talks. At around 7:45, I go to the kitchen for some dinner prep. These days, I am having my dinner between 8 and 8:30, and 7:45 is the perfect time for me to get ready for that. So today I decided to stir up a quick but delicious prawn quinoa fried rice. So I already had some cooked quinoa in the fridge. And all these different vegetables, I always have them chopped and ready as a part of my meal prep. I can use them in a lot of different dishes for breakfast, lunch, dinner. They're full of nutrition, and definitely I had some prawn in the freezer. So in a pan, I just fried some garlic first, and once the garlic became all aromatic, I added all the other vegetables, fried them for a while and then covered and cooked them. And once the vegetables are nearly done, I add the prawns. The prawns cook really quickly, so I don't like overcooking them because then they become very rubbery. So once the prawns get this beautiful color, I add the quinoa, I add some salt and pepper, mix everything and then top it with some sesame oil and switch off the gas. I transfer it to a bowl, and that is my very simple dinner. I also had some leftover paneer in the fridge, so I took a bit of that for the gravy. I try to keep this dinner time gadget free, so I quickly have my dinner and then I come back to my desk to work on my side hustle. So after dinner for 1 or 1.5 hours, I try to have a deep work session. This is the time when I write blog posts, I plan out my future YouTube videos, I work on the scripts, I work on creating thumbnails. Recently, I am planning to create a lot of mini trainings for you guys, so I was doing a little research on that. At times, I also edit my YouTube videos at around this time, but today, because I was shooting a video, that is this video, editing was not a part of my task list. At around 10, I start wrapping up my work. The last thing that I do is going through my to-do list and I check if I have completed most of the tasks. If something is pending, I just add that to my next day's to-do list along with some fresh new task. Creating a to-do list at night has been a game changer for me. I just feel way more organized and productive this way, and I end up completing a lot more tasks. And with this to-do list done, I leave my desk and work for the day, and this is the time when I start getting ready for my workout session. Now I know this will sound a little absurd working out at 10:30 in the night, but trust me, this is how it works for me. When I go to my lab, I cannot work out at any other time of the day, and this is the time when my trainer comes and he trains me and my husband. Now because of the lockdown, we are taking a break from that, but I did not want to change the routine. So I start off with some basic warm up and mobility exercises, and then I do some weight training. So every alternate days I do some weight training at home, and then on the other days I do some kind of light exercises. So the workout session is over by 11:40, and by this time I feel so exhausted. I literally don't feel like moving at all, but at the same time I feel very gross, so I have to take a shower. But before that, I make myself a glass of post-workout drink. This is the most desi protein shake that you can make for yourself. Just 2 tablespoons of sattu, some rock salt, little lemon juice, and a whole lot of water. So I allow this to chill while I take my shower, and after my shower I also do my very basic nighttime skincare routine. I am not sharing the details over here. I will create a separate video where I share my day and nighttime skincare routine with you guys. After that, I hit the bed with my post-workout drink, a bottle of water, and a book. I am trying not to use my phone during bedtime, so I don't use my phone once my workout is done. I just sip my drink and read the book. I cannot read a lot of pages because I'm already very tired, so soon after I go to sleep. So that is how my usual night routine looks like. Of course, it varies. On days when I am shooting some video or recording some voiceover, I start doing that at 12 in the night because I need absolute silence for that. So usually once or twice every week I sleep at around 2 in the night, but then I compensate that by sleeping a little extra in the morning. But this is how my usual night routine looks like. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think about it. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. I would love to see you here. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.